welcome to Antara Squad. Welcome to the first question and answer session, which I would like to call Converse with Antara. So this is my first question and answer session, and एक हफ्ता पहले मैंने आप लोगों को एक Google form दिया था, and मैंने वहाँ पे लिखा था कि this is only meant for fun questions, and जो भी आप लोग मुझे पूछना चाहते हो, which you can't ask me otherwise in class, related to life, net, studies or anything you would want to ask. So honestly मैंने expect नहीं किया था. There are so many questions seriously asking me for help related to academics. काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझे PhD related queries की है, net related, MA exams, UPSC even. So what I have done is I have divided these questions into several categories, and because I'm काफ़ी organized in my life also, so I like categorizing these questions, and I think कि सारे questions के answers मैं एक ही दिन में नहीं दे पाऊंगी. So since today is my first not PYQ session, see I'm so used to saying PYQ MCQ question and answer session that आज मैंने सिर्फ जो light questions थे asking me about me specifically, मैंने वो सारे questions आज रखी हैं, and बाकी questions के मैंने एक अलग से category बनाई है. So don't worry, every weekend I'll upload one of these videos telling you about your questions which you people have asked me. So yes, my laptop is still on and I'm seeing what are the questions which have come up. So जो बहुत common questions आए हैं are related to net, its validity कि अभी तो PhD compulsory हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा, MA related, foreign में कैसे study करना है, life में क्या करे, career क्या करे, क्या sociology में कोई scope है कि नहीं, free में videos डालिए मैम, as well as motivation, research paper, jobs, and many such. So these are the rough categories which people have asked me. I will answer all your queries. Every Sunday from now on, इस तरीके का एक video आएगा. So now let's start with all the questions that you people have asked me about me. So let me introduce you to myself. My name is Antara Chakrabarti, and all of you know me as somebody who teaches sociology UGC net on this online academic platform called Unacademy. And other than that, a lot of you are my juniors, seniors, friends who know me as somebody who's currently in my MPhil from Jamia Millia Islamia. Now, मेरा MPhil खत्म हो जाना चाहिए था अब तक, but I don't know क्या होगा. It's all postponed. So let's see. I hope it ends very fast. So the very basic question people have asked me about my age, whether I'm married or not. So age के बारे में I just want to say that I have passed my undergrad in the year 2016. Yes, so उस तरीके से आप कैलकुलेट कर लो जनरली क्या होता है इंडिया में अंडरग्रेड का एज. So 2016 से you can calculate. And yes, I'm not married, not yet. Don't want that social institution of marriage yet in my life. And yes, so some of you have noticed my classes so well that आप लोगों ने मुझे ये भी पूछा कि मैम मेरे जो घर का फैन है वो कब बदला मैंने, मेरा घड़ी का आवाज़ क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. So let me share this with you all that many of my students know that I stay in Delhi, I live in Delhi. तो उसका जो फैन है वो बहुत ही घटर 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 आवाज़ करता रहता है, and my घड़ी is also very annoying. But I'm not in Delhi right now, I'm in Guwahati, my home, and not even in Guwahati. अभी इतने दिन तो मैं थी Guwahati, I'm in some other place, a small town now because of lockdown and all that. So I'm all stuck here. And yes, my favorite person on Unacademy, that's a very interesting question. There are number of inspirational people on Unacademy as teachers in several categories, चाहे वो UPSC हो, in net हो. There are many inspirational figures on Unacademy. So the list goes on. I don't have one single person who I get inspired from. And my favorite singers, that's a very difficult question. I have many favorite singers, but female में I think I like a lot Shreya Ghoshal, Sunidhi Chauhan, and then male में I think I honestly think कि आजकल के जो singers हैं काफ़ी hyped. So I would prefer जो हमारे पुराने singers हैं them more. I would like to listen to their songs more rather than the remix ones. And I don't know, I feel वो जो in-depth चीज़ है music की वो आजकल नहीं होती है. Also I am a singer. I used to be a singer. Yes, at some point of life I learned music, but I don't sing anymore. So please, no requests about me singing. And yes, so what I do when I'm free. So guys, whenever I'm free, I सच बोलो कि झूठ बोलो तो नहीं पता, बट मैं बहुत सोती रहती हूँ. आई एम अ वेरी वेरी लेजी पर्सन. And I was very shocked seeing these queries on my page asking कि how are you working all the time, आप हमेशा काम करते रहते हो, रात को काम कर रहे हो, दिन में you're always working, even replying to free messages of students in the free group etc. Well, see when I'm working, जब मैं काम करती हूँ मैं बहुत ही डेडिकेशन लगा के करती हूँ. आई डोंट डिस्ट्रैक्ट माई सेल्फ, बट दिस इज नॉट ट्रू दैट आई वर्क ऑल द टाइम. आई एम अ वेरी वेरी लेजी पर्सन, बट आई एम वेरी प्रोडक्टिव व्हेन आई एम वर्किंग. सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. एक ऐसे इंसान होते हैं जो पूरे टाइम काम करते हैं, लाइक माई फादर हु इज ऑलवेज स्टडिंग, बट आई एम नॉट लाइक वन ऑफ दोज. मैं जब पढ़ती हूँ तो पढ़ती हूँ, तब नो बडी कैन कम नियर मी. आई डोंट यूज माई फोन, माई सोशल मीडिया एंड ऑल दैट. बट when I'm not studying, I'll just keep on lazing. I think sleeping is my best hobby to do. But also because I'm at home now, when I am in Delhi, वहाँ पे मैं अकेली रहती हूँ, so I have to do a lot of work. I have to cook, I have to do everything. So yeah, तब उतना टाइम नहीं मिलता था. And yes, so many of you have also said that I have become when I'm at home right now. Okay, so what's my routine like? So guys, my routine is very weird. अगर मैंने एक बार ये हैबिट कर ली कि मुझे सुबह उठना है, तो मैं सुबह ही उठती रहूंगी. सो इफ आई मेक अ हैबिट दैट आई वेक अप एट 6 o'clock in the morning, I will wake up like that. It's fixed. And if I think that no, I'll work overnight and मैं लेट उठूंगी, तो it'll go like that. So right now my routine is that. That's why you people keep getting updates, notifications even at nights, because I sleep at around 4:30 and I wake up at around roughly 10:30, 11ish. So that is my routine. Yes, but I would really suggest कि please don't follow my routine. It's really not good for your health. But yes, okay. And okay, career के बारे में many of you have asked me कि मुझे क्या बनना है क्या नहीं. And a lot of you also asked me whether I want to take UPSC or not. So guys, first of all, I want to clarify that definitely not UPSC. I respect the exam. I respect the whole bureaucratic structure, but I am not made for UPSC. देखो, एक चीज मैं बहुत क्लोजली बिलीव करती हूँ कि अगर आपको पता है कि आप में वो कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है, आई डोंट थिंक आप जितना भी कोशिश करोगे यूल गो अहेड. द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड फॉर एन एग्जाम इज कॉन्फिडेंस. अगर आप पहले से ही गिव अप कर दो, तो नो मैटर आप जितना भी कोचिंग ले लो, जितना भी कुछ कर लो, इट्स नॉट गोना हैपन. So for me, it's something like that. And also, I don't think I'll make a good bureaucrat, to be very honest. I think I'm good as a researcher, I'm good as a teacher, professor. Somebody जो मतलब ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं होगा, पीछे पीछे रहना होगा and अपना काम करते रहो. So and also a lot of you don't know, I'm very very introvert in my life. बहुत ही ज़्यादा introvert हूँ मैं. I don't talk to people. If any of my juniors, seniors, my friends are watching this, you would know. I'm somebody who would sit in the last bench of the classroom and just listen to the teacher. I'm not somebody जो beginning में आके बोलेगा हाँ sir, yes ma'am. I'm not one of those. I'll just sit behind and just silently listen and not talk much. But yes, अगर बात करने को आए तो I'll definitely give my opinion. I'll talk, but I'm not very extrovert. But with my friends, yes, I'm very very talkative. So yes. Okay, so there are some questions asking me ki ma'am, what are your learnings that you did when you were alone in Delhi? So guys, this is the first decision I made to live alone in Delhi, and I'm somebody who's very क्या कहते हैं, very lazy. I have not worked much before, so it was a huge I was repenting this a lot because I thought कि ये आसान हो जाएगा, but it wasn't. And I had to learn everything on myself. जब beginning के time में मैं बहुत ही गंदा खाना बना रही थी. I was not even able to eat what I was cooking, but then I learned it and many new things. I know it's funny, it's not a very great achievement, but I think I should be sharing it. I'm very scared of these random worms, cockroaches, spiders. So when you're living alone, आप किसी को बुला नहीं सकते हो कि please मुझे help करो, इसे मारने की कोशिश करो या फिर something like that. So I had to learn facing all of these alone. There have been times that I'm so scared कि spider है, तो I even started putting up mosquito net so that I can survive from that. How do you spend and what's your structure of saving, payment? Okay, this is something I don't know if a lot of you know, but I'm very very frugal. I think मेरे लिए ही वो proverb बना था, simple living. तो simple living is my simple. I'm very, very frugal. I very, very, matlab, I barely spend money. I don't need anything to spend money on other than if it's related to my work या फिर books and so on. But otherwise, मतलब आप मुझे अगर गाँव में भी रख दो ना, I can stay there also. I will have no problem, no issues, no demands, nothing. So I can manage anywhere. I have no problem settling anywhere. अगर मेरे पास AC ना हो, fan भी ना हो तो भी मेरा चलेगा. So I don't really face a lot of problem related to monetary planning and all that, because as I said, I'm very frugal, and for this reason the place where I live in Delhi is also not a very expensive place. मैंने intentionally वहीं पे घर लिया था so that I can learn being in a place which is lower middle income or middle income space in Delhi. Okay. Some of you have asked me what's my JNU experience like. So guys, JNU experience is very mixed. A lot of you don't know, but my JNU experience is very different from others. I am not into politics, and JNU आप लोगों को पता है so rich in politics. So I used to listen to lectures. कहीं पे भी कोई भी lecture देने आता था, irrespective of which political party that person is. I'm very open to thoughts. So बीच में एक there has been comments from a few students who thought that I was biased, and let me tell you that you people don't know who I am. I'm very, very open hearted. Be it any ideology, मैं ये मानती हूँ कि सुनना चाहिए दूसरे पार्टी को. Obviously you can have your own ideology, but अगर आप पहले से ही बंद कर दो कि नहीं मुझे दूसरे इंसान का बात सुनना ही नहीं है, तो फिर I don't think there's a space for learning. So I'm very open to ideas. कुछ भी होता था JNU में, I would silently go sit and listen to everything, but I never participated in anything because I said I'm very introvert. So yeah, and a lot of you don't know, but I'm a huge dog lover. So JNU में most of the time I have spent in grooming stray dogs, feeding them, staying awake at nights to feed them. I have saved many puppies and doctor के पास ले जाना ये सब. तो I have done a lot for dogs in JNU. So my experience of JNU is 50% dogs and 40% academics and 10% just sleeping and attending lectures and all that. Yes. And okay, what is your purpose in life? Purpose in life is very difficult to say, but I really want to be someone who I would enjoy to be rather than being pressurized for someone. And very honestly, my parents are not one of those who have pressured me for anything in life, so I think that goes on. And some of you have asked me, ma'am, how did you manage to get through all these great universities with rank? So guys, there is no tip for that. All throughout my life I have not been a topper. जब मैं स्कूल में थी, I was very weak in maths, science, not because मुझे नहीं आता था, but I was never interested in these compared to social science, English and all that. So I was never a topper for that reason. However, the moment I was promoted to 11th standard, I took arts या फिर humanities, and I really enjoyed that field. And मुझे पता था कि मुझे इनके सारे subjects पसंद है. I had psychology, sociology, economics. So I really enjoyed my 11th 12th period, and I became very confident. So उसके बाद जो भी मेरे लाइफ में एंट्रेंसेस आए, जो भी एग्जाम्स आए, I have worked hard for them, I wouldn't deny. And yes, so work hard, be honest to yourself. अगर आप खुद से ही ऑनेस्ट नहीं हो तो फिर nobody is going to help you. अगर आपको पता है कि आप सोशल मीडिया में ज़्यादा टाइम बिता रहे हैं, it's not good for you, so you are the one who has to control it. Nobody else can come and help that. And I have a very strong will that way. अगर मैं डिसीजन लूँ कि मैं नहीं करूँगी, मैं नहीं खोलूँगी फेसबुक for 2 days, I will not. Okay, so I have that control in me. And अगर मैं सोचूँ कि नहीं, I don't want this social media, I'll just delete it. So overnight I'll delete it. It doesn't take me a second to think कि क्या होगा, मेरे इतने सारे pictures थे उसमें ये वो. I don't think about that. So I'm not somebody who wastes a lot of time into these things which are not really helping you in longer run. Okay, you seem so young and yet so organized. Okay. This is something that I want to tell all of you, that being organized really helps you. चाहे आप mediocre है, आप average student है, आप बिल्कुल ही weak student है, does not matter. Just try this tip. अगर आप अपने notes को, आप जो भी पढ़ रहे हो या फिर आपने पूरे दिन में क्या किया, what do you want to do the upcoming day, उसको अगर एक बार आप organize करो, you will see a lot of time gets saved. And I'm really organized, and ever since school, like I was one of those children जो जिसके कॉपी टीचर्स दिखाते थे क्लास में कि देखो इतना अच्छा हैंड राइटिंग है. सो आई एम वन ऑफ दोज किड्स, वेरी वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. एंड मेरे सारे नोट्स, मेरे सारे शेड्यूल बहुत ही बुक मार्क्ड होते हैं. मैं सारे लिख के रखती हूँ मुझे क्या करना है क्या नहीं. बट आई एम रियली ग्लैड दैट वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हैव आस्क्ड मी कि व्हाट्स योर बिगेस्ट वाइज, यानी कि आपका सबसे बुरा हैबिट या फिर सबसे बुरी चीज क्या है. सो आई थिंक all my students would agree, my सबसे बुरी चीज is impunctuality. I have never been punctual in anything, चाहे वो क्लास हो, my class, चाहे मेरे यूनिवर्सिटीज के क्लासेस हो, कॉलेज के क्लासेस हो, जो भी लाइफ में करना हो. अगर मुझे किसी ने 4 बजे टाइम दिया है, आई विल बी देयर बाय मिनिमम 4:05. सो आई विल ऑलवेज बी मिनिमम 5 minutes लेट. एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई कांट इम्प्रूव. अगर मैं मान लो मुझे पता है कि आज 9 बजे क्लास है, सो आई सिट एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग द स्लाइड्स फ्रॉम 7 o'clock, फिर भी मैं 5 मिनट लेट होंगी. सो आई डोंट नो, I just can't be on time. So that's the biggest thing that you guys should not follow from me. Yes? Okay. So yes, I think that's really important. आप organized होना शुरू करो. Be a perfectionist in your way. I think it's really helpful. How do you manage or face failures? I have faced many failures in life, and जो मैं हमेशा मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को कहती हूँ कि किसी को भी देख के अपना वो मत बना लो कि इनमें तो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई खामियां नहीं है. इट्स नॉट द ट्रूथ. एवरीबडी हैज फेलियर्स, सब में प्रॉब्लम होती है, बट यू शुड लर्न टू एक्नॉलेज दैट कि हाँ मैंने ये एग्जाम दिया था, मुझे नहीं मिला, नाउ व्हाट टू डू, नाउ आई हैव टू मूव ऑन. बहुत सारे मेरे स्टूडेंट्स, उनका नेट जेआरएफ नहीं निकलता है, दे आर लाइक कि मैम 1 मार्क के लिए मिस हो गया. माई होल पॉइंट इज 1 मार्क के लिए मिस हो गया, सो दैट्स गॉन. So you can't waste your time thinking about that. So always keep another plan and always move ahead. Don't look back. Yes, if you're feeling sad, अगर आपको रोने का मन कर रहा है, cry, but then just end it there. And honestly, life में after 5-10 years you'll realize कि आप लोग बहुत ही छोटे छोटे चीज़ों के लिए रो रहे थे जिसके लिए कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी. So I think you can just ignore these things. Yes? Okay. How do you have such a strong clarity on sociology subject? I think I have told this many times. I'm not a trained sociology student. मैंने यूनिवर्सिटी में sociology नहीं पढ़ी है, ना ही मेरी सब्जेक्ट sociology है. जो चीज़ मैं बार बार मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को कहती रहती हूँ, that me being a student of another subject has grasped the subject little okay. So आप लोग भी कर सकते हो. And honestly, it's not something very बहुत ही कुछ बड़ी चीज जो मैंने कर दी. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. एक ही चीज को अगर आप बार बार पढ़ते रहोगे, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करते रहोगे, यू गेट दैट होल्ड एंड इट्स नॉट इम्पॉसिबल एट ऑल. एंड दिस इज वेरी रॉन्ग टू से दैट आई हैव अ गुड होल्ड ऑन दिस सब्जेक्ट. डेफिनेटली नो. आई जस्ट कीप दिस एटीट्यूड ऑल द टाइम कि सीखते रहना है. एंड आई एम नेवर ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट इन माई लाइफ. अगर कोई चीज मैंने गलत की है, आई एक्नॉलेज इट इमीडिएटली टू माई स्टूडेंट्स दैट I have made this mistake, इसका करेक्शन करना होगा. जबकि बहुत लोगों में आप ये हैबिट देखेंगे that they don't acknowledge, they think that they are the best and यही बेस्ट है. नो, आई नेवर से दैट. मैं हमेशा बिगिनिंग में ही कह देती हूँ कि आप लोगों से भी होगा. सो जस्ट कीप ट्राइंग एंड डोंट डेविएट. ओके. My biggest inspiration has been my father. My father has been a professor all through his life, and he's right now the vice chancellor of university here. And मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि my father's journey is something different from a lot of your parents. Everybody, in fact, all of our middle class parents have struggled, but I have seen my father rising from where to where. Like he was very poor. He started from scratch. He did not have money to study. So somebody else helped him to study. So I know all these things, and I think this is the reason why I'm so frugal in life. I don't spend ऐसे, मैं उड़ाती नहीं हूँ पैसे, मैं खाना बर्बाद नहीं करती हूँ. So these are little things which I think defines me, and I think all my friends would also agree to that. So yes. Okay, how did I think about Unacademy? That's a huge question. उसके लिए मुझे एक अलग ही वीडियो बनानी पड़ेगी that how my Unacademy journey started and what not. But many of you are also asking me for motivation videos. So motivation के लिए भी मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी. But yes, since right now I'm teaching on Unacademy and I'm also doing my MPhil side by side. I have my family talk to and all that. So it's not easy to manage. Most of the time I spend on Unacademy. I make classes. मैं बहुत ही टाइम लगा के क्लास बनाती हूँ, बहुत ही सोच समझ के क्वेश्चंस लाती हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. आई डोंट जस्ट ऐसे ही क्लास लेना है इसलिए मैं नहीं आती हूँ. सो it's very difficult. I can't give much of my time to my parents. I can't give much of my time to myself either. And I think I have shared this with my students that I have been alienated for a lot of time. मुझे मूवी देखने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है, कोई भी जो टीवी सीरीज आती है ये सब कुछ नहीं टाइम मिलता है. By the time I end all my work, I get so tired at night that I just don't have any energy to do anything. But I would just suggest कि mind को positive रखो and just follow a very beautiful tip. I don't know how many of you will follow it, but काफ़ी टाइम हम बहुत distracted हो जाते हैं. लाइफ में problems आती हैं, सबके लाइफ में problems हैं, including mine. But if you make the habit of writing it down, कि रात को सोने से पहले make it a point कि इतना पैसेज आप लिखोगे आपने पूरे दिन क्या क्या. Okay, what happens is that आप जब लिख रहे होंगे you will realize that these are the positive things that you have done today and these are the negative things that you have done today. सो उससे क्या होता है, आपको एक रियलाइजेशन होती है कि ये जो नेगेटिव चीज़ है ये मैं कल से नहीं करूँगी या नहीं करूँगा. सो आई थिंक इट रियली हेल्प्स. सो yes, so I think these questions were enough. And somebody has also asked me my MPhil topic. That's a very good question. I'm very glad you people asked me. So all these years I have been working in the sphere of urban poverty, urban sociology. My bachelor जो काम था, it was based on beggary, भीख मांगना, and my whole work was based on that, whether beggary is an occupation or not. And my master's thesis dealt with homelessness, the idea of homelessness, the whole concept of homelessness. And now I have shifted from that field. I am no more into urban sociology. Of course, I write papers and all on that, but right now I have shifted to cultural sociology. So my current MPhil topic deals with there was a place called Sylhet, which is currently in Bangladesh. So there are a lot of people from Bangladesh, Sylhet, remaining in India, who remained back in India during partition and all that. So there is a very identity crisis that goes on, especially in Assam. So my work is on that, mostly from historical perspective and cultural sociological perspective. And yes, so that was my MPhil topic, and I hope मेरा MPhil जल्दी खत्म हो जाए. So yes, and right. So biggest and most biggest achievement and biggest failure. Okay, I think my biggest achievement hasn't come yet. I was very happy all these years. अगर मैं सोचूं तो after my bachelor's I was awarded the gold medal. And I also got through really good universities after my bachelor's for masters, which includes London School of Economics, School of African and Oriental Studies in London. But I could not go because of student scholarship. I did not get any scholarship to take loans because loans is very scared. उसको आपको repay करना होता है, and not like कि मुझे आने से ही नौकरी मिल जाएगी and I can repay those things back. So I didn't go there. And so I think my biggest achievement is awaiting, but my biggest failure also, I don't think I have had a very big failure to say, but I think something that I still repent is that कि bachelor's के बाद I chose development studies over sociology, although I got through sociology and development studies. So I feel I could have gone for sociology rather than development studies, because kahin na kahin I have come back to this field. So yes, this is something I repent actually, but yeah. So yeah, I think it's become a very long video. So thank you so much, guys. I will I'll definitely address all the questions that you people have asked me. Maybe twice a week, या फिर once a week. Definitely such videos will come up. And I'm thinking of doing this Google form thing once a month, so that आप सारे questions मुझे दे सकते हो, and accordingly I can make videos on that. So I hope you people enjoyed it. And just one thing I want to tell for the last time, that many of you have asked me what keeps on making me going, how do I smile all the time. It's definitely not true to think that I don't have any problems in my life, या फिर मुझे कोई problems face नहीं करना होता है. Everybody has problems, but you should always look for chances how to pass that. आप कैसे उस चीज़ को छोड़ के आप उसके ahead कैसे जाओगे, how to pass by that. So that thing I think you people have to focus on. And 3 things that I want to really focus on till the end is be organized, and be be punctual, don't be impunctual like me. And number 3, try to find ways how you can be happy. So अगर आपके लाइफ में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, try to write it down, reflect on it, and you will see how really it changes your whole outlook. So thank you so much. The next upcoming videos will be on net, on the validity of net exam, क्या करें हम लोग, career options in sociology, and what to do in life otherwise अगर आप लोग social sciences से हैं, motivation, research paper कैसे लिखना है, everything I'll help you out with that. So thank you so much, and tolerating me for 25 minutes. I'll see you again next week. Bye.